Hey y'all, so today I'll be doing a review on a wig I got from Luvme Hair Company. It came in this little purple box. It had a note in it from the founder, which was really nice. So inside was the wig. It came in this little nice purple drawstring bag. It was 14 inches of body wave hair. It's 180% density. It's pre-plucked and it is a glueless wig. So the wig came in a hairnet to keep the hair in place. Inside the wig was some paper to keep the shape and the form of the wig. This was a really nice wig, not too shiny. It didn't have any like corn chip smells like some hair does. I got no shedding. It was nice and full. This is a 180% density wig. So this is a lace wig. It has nice parting space. It has lace ear to ear. It also comes with your common combs. It had one clip in the front, two on the sides, and a clip in the back. It also came with an adjustable strap. And it also had this little book in there. It showed or told you how to care for your wig, how to use your wig, and some facts on the wig. It also gave you some information about returning and refunding your wig. It came with 2 wig caps, and it came with this little kit that they sent with the package as well. It had a comb inside for you to do whatever you need to do with your comb. It had some bobby pins in there. It also had a Love Me clip in there with some little rhinestones on it, which was really cute. Had an extra elastic band in there if you needed it. And it also had, I'm not sure what this is called, but I know some people use it to lay their hair down or their edges down. And this wig included a free, I say it's a 3-in-1. It's a curling iron, a flat iron, and like a crimper, a 3-in-1, which was really cool. And it has this little lever at the top where you can just press the button for whatever you want to use, whether it's the flat iron or the crimper. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. I didn't glue it down or anything. It does say it's a glueless wig. So yes, I just tucked this side behind my ear. I didn't do any plucking. They did say it was pre-plucked. So yeah, it's nice and soft. I like the texture. The only thing is I don't think that it holds a curl. Maybe it needs to be washed. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash it and see how that turns out with the curling after it's washed. And maybe I'll make another video of it after it's washed and I try to curl again. I did try to use their little flat iron or curling iron. Maybe I didn't let it heat up good enough, but it didn't heat up fast to me. I do like the concept. It's a neat concept, but maybe I just didn't let it heat up because it wasn't doing much. So I did go in and try to use my wand and my flat iron, and it did a little bit. It acted like it was gonna hold a curl, but as soon as I ran my fingers through it, it just went flop. But that's okay. I do like the body wave texture that it comes in anyway. Yeah, so I think it looks really natural. It was 14 inches. I got it in 14 inches. It feels really soft. On my wig head, it did look like it was going to be a little bit too full, but on it looks, to me, it looks and feels natural. It is 180% density, so that's why it's pretty full. Yeah, so I like it. It's nice and lightweight, not too heavy on my head. I just went in and cut off the lace in the front, and that's it. No baby hair, none of that. I don't really, that's not really my preference. I just like something nice and natural, something I can throw on, and that's what I got. So because of the wig being 180% density, was the reason why they sent the flat iron or curling iron. Yeah, so they had that for other wigs on there as well. So I thought that was a really good deal. Next time I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit more, for a little longer, just to see if that makes a difference with it. But yeah, let's see, I paid $138 for this wig. I did have a 23% off coupon code, discount code. So yeah, so my total with shipping and taxes and everything was $138. And I thought that was a good deal because I got a wig, I got curling iron, I got their little the little supply kit and everything that came in here. So yeah, I thought I got a pretty good deal. This was my second time ordering from Luvme. And I really like it. Fast shipping. I believe I got it within a week's timing. It was a little off due to the virus, but to me it still got here pretty fast. So yeah, I'll be ordering from them again. And like I said, I'm gonna wash the wig and then curl it and then see how the curls hold up. But yeah, nice natural looking wig. Not too full, not too long, just the way I like it. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.